Here's the harsh truth. Most people will work 40 years and never save $100,000. But what if you could earn it in just one? Not through luck, not through inheritance, but through a clear, actionable strategy that thousands are already using. Like Jordan, a UPS driver who made $110,000 last year with a mix of overtime and a side hustle flipping couches from Facebook Marketplace. Let's break down the exact framework to make $100,000 in a year, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Understand the math of 100K. First, reverse engineer the goal. $100,000 per year equals $8,333 per month, equals $1,923 per week, equals about $275 per day. This is your magic number. You can hit it with a high-paying job, multiple streams of income, or a combination of both. But knowing this breakdown makes it feel achievable and real. Step 2. Pick your path: job, hustle, or both. You have three main paths. Get a high-paying job, build a high-income skill, and freelance run scalable side hustles or a business. For most people, combining two paths is the fastest route. Example: Samantha, a school teacher in Texas, made $48,000 from her job and another $52,000 reselling thrift store items on eBay. That's 6 figures without quitting her day job. Step 3. Master one high-income skill. Every six-figure earner has one thing in common: a monetizable skill. Learn one high-income skill that's in demand. Copywriting, coding digital ads, video editing. Sales platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, and Coursera can help you learn for free or cheap. Even basic knowledge can land you $25 per hour gigs. Mastery? That's $75 to $150 per hour. Learn, practice, repeat. Step 4. Monetize fast with freelancing or contract work. Once you can deliver results with your skill, don't wait. Start freelancing. Use sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, or reach out to local businesses directly. Charge low at first, build a portfolio, then raise rates. Example: Tyler started ghostwriting LinkedIn posts for $40 each. Now, he charges $250 a post and writes for startup founders. Step 5. Build a leveraged side hustle. If you want to go from good to great, you need leverage. A leveraged hustle lets you earn without trading time, one for one. Top examples in 2025: print-on-demand Shopify store, YouTube faceless channel, TikTok affiliate marketing, selling digital products, templates, guides, courses. Alex, a college student in Ohio, made $2,000 a month with an Etsy shop selling AI art prints. It took 3 weeks to set up and now runs on autopilot. Step 6. Stack income streams smartly. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. You only need 2 to 3 to reach $100,000. Stack them intentionally: $50,000 from job or freelancing, $30,000 from side hustle, $20,000 from digital product sales or affiliate commissions. Each income stream becomes a safety net and a booster. Don't chase too many at once. Grow them one by one. Step 7. Keep living costs low in the first 12 months. Your income means nothing if your lifestyle eats it all. If you're serious about hitting $100,000 fast, sacrifice temporarily. Live lean, budget aggressively, meal prep, cancel unused subscriptions. Think of this as financial boot camp. You're buying back your future. Step 8. Reinvest in growth, not lifestyle. Once money starts coming in, reinvest it into things that make more money. Better equipment, courses to sharpen your skill, tools to automate tasks, coaching or mentorship. Avoid the trap of lifestyle creep. Don't blow your first $10,000 on a car or designer sneakers. Put it back into the machine. Step 9. Use systems, not willpower. High earners don't rely on motivation. They build systems. Use Notion, Trello, or even Google Sheets too. Track clients and income. Set monthly goals. Plan your content. Systemize everything that can be repeated. That's how you scale from $10 per hour to $100 per hour work. Step 10. Keep it boring. Stay consistent. Making $100,000 in a year isn't flashy. It's not viral. It's boring consistency. Show up daily. Deliver quality. Improve your craft. Make the next sale. Repeat. People overestimate what they can do in a week and underestimate what they can do in 12 months. Stick with it. $100,000 isn't luck. It's a formula. Learn a skill. Monetize it. Stack streams. Reinvest. Repeat. Do that, and this time next year, your life could look completely different.